Guess what? It's pumpkin season time. I'm going to show you how to make my favorite recipe for pumpkin bread. To start out the bread, you'll need a large bowl that you will be adding the flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix that all together and set aside. In another bowl, combine the pumpkin, oil, eggs, and water. Make sure you mix that up really well. If you're liking this video so far, give me a thumbs up. Now take your wet ingredients and add them to the dry ingredients. Just stir until combined. Don't overmix it or your bread will be tough. At this point, you can add chocolate chips or nuts to the batter if you want. In the comments, tell me if you prefer chocolate, nuts, or plain pumpkin bread. Spray 2 bread pans with cooking spray so your bread doesn't stick to the pan. Evenly pour the bread mix into the pans and bake at 350 degrees for about an hour or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While the bread is cooking, make the glaze that goes on top of the bread. To a small saucepan, combine your butter, sugars, and cream. Cook until the sugar is dissolved. Cool for 20 minutes and then stir in the powdered sugar and vanilla until smooth. Cool the bread for 10 minutes before removing them from the pans. Drizzle the glaze over the bread and enjoy the taste of fall. If you're wanting to give these loaves away as a gift, wrap the bread up in plastic wrap and tie a cute bow on top with some ribbon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so together we can strengthen our families through food. We'll see you in the next video.